image, document or PDF is posted in Google Classroom and you have to share it with all classes. Usually people post it individually in each class, which to take more time. Today I'll show you how to do it very fast and like a pro. Stick around, I'll show you how. Please subscribe my channel, like and share and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below. First we will open Google Chrome and we will type classroom.google.com to open the Google Classroom. Now you will open any of your class. Now I am on mainstream here. So I want to post a timetable, for example, exam timetable for all the classes. So despite of doing it individually, what I'll do, I'll just click on add here, then click on file. And now I have a few options here, like if I have posted some recent file here, it will show up, but I want to upload a new file. So I'll click on upload, click on browse. Now I will search for the file which I want to upload. So here you can see it's first term and pre-mock exam timetable. So I'll click here. Sometimes the files are scattered away. Since I have sorted it by, usually files are like this. You see it jumbled up, different file formats. So if you know it's a PDF file, so what will you do? Just right click, sort by type. So now it will sort all the like format files, like these are the PDFs here and different files here, so you can search it easily. So first term and pre-mock exam, so I'll click on this, either double click or click on open. Now you see the file is here, so I'll just write here midterm exam timetable. Now if I post it, it will be only posted in this class, but I want to post it in all classes. So simply I'll click here and then you can see all the classes. So I'll select all the classes. I want to post it in all these classes. This is a demo class and this is another class which I don't want. So these are the classes. You can select as many classes as you want, then click outside and then you need to simply click on post. And done. Now the magic happens and it posted in all the classes. I'll show you in one more class. Let's say take 10B admins, and this is the mainstream. You see it is here also. So it will be posted in all classes accordingly. If you want to post any certain thing for particular classes, 2 classes, 3 classes, you can select in the same method easily. I hope this video is really helpful for you. So give me a like. If you haven't, then subscribe my channel, share it with your friends and colleagues so they may benefit also. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.